Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona kune-audio elikhile la kaPresident uRamaphosa. Ngifisa ukundlalela lo audio. Ngibhekelela i-debate la ye-budget. Ngifonela omunye umngane wami uthi hey nansi audio kaRamaphosa elikhile la njengoba bebene-meeting ne-DA. Sizokhumbula ukuthi the past 2 weeks i-ANC ne-DA bebengavumelani up to a point la khona i-ANC iziya approach ama-political parties ukuze baparticipate le budget le ayiproposile uMinister uGodongwana. Izolo ekseni isikhathi beku 7:10 uJohn Steenhuisen we-DA ubhale le message uthi isikhathi sesicishe siyaphela. Izolo ebusuku i-ANC inqabile ukuthi kufinalize isivumelwano ukuze kube negrowth kwenziwe futhi nama-spending reform. Iphoqelela i-GNU. I-DA iyaphikisana nebudget unless kukhona isivumelwano esibhalwe phansi. Emveni kokubona le message kusicacele sonke ukuthi cha inkulumo ezikhona phakathi kwabo ingxoxo lezi zokubonisana ayihambi kahle. Emveni kwalapho i-DA ithe izoba ne-media briefing abeyizoba khona ngo8:30. Thema sesibheka i-media briefing sasesithola umbiko othi ngeke isaba khona i-media briefing ngezathu sokuthi uJohn Steenhuisen uyohlangana noRamaphosa ukuze bayobonisana kokugcina ngoba phela izolo bekufuneka kuyokhulunywa kwi-portfolio le ebebekuyo e-finance. Ngicela ukucaphunela ke inkulumo le elikhile kaPresident uRamaphosa bese ngizwa ukuthi wena kuthini ukuphawula kwakho. Ngiyacela subscribe ku-channel, ulike i-video, comment, ushare. Ngiyafisa ukuze ukubona ukuthi wena ubona kanjani kulelo daba.
Sometimes I often say that you must not interrupt your adversary whilst they are making a mistake. The DA have locked themselves into an unenviable position. And they can now see that they put themselves into a cul-de-sac. It is a most unpleasant position that they've locked themselves into. This evening, John Steenhuisen made contact with me and said, "Where do we go now?" And I said, "John, the ball is entirely in your court." And he asked, "Does the ANC say we should leave the GNU?" I said, "The ball is in your court. You have put yourself in this position. So you need to work your way out. You took a decision in the committee. That was the choice you made. And you tried to argue that the position that was adopted is no different from the position that they had put up in either cabinet or outside." And I said, the reason why the ANC, through our chief whip, embarked on a process of consulting all parties, as we did when we formed the GNU, was to show leadership. We are the ones, whether you like it or not, who are leading this GNU. And we therefore have a responsibility to demonstrate that leadership. Even under difficult circumstances or situations, we will continue to do so. And that is why our chief whip and the various comrades of his other colleagues embark on this process of consulting with all parties. And I said to him, you as a party, of course, of the GNU, you were singular in saying you will oppose this budget, and you added insult upon insult towards the ANC and said, called the ANC all manner of names. And I said, what seems to please you is that you want to be in government and you also want to be the opposition in government. And I said, you can't have your cake and eat it. So I said, you've already optically given us a clear indication of where you stand in the committee. Now you need to take a decision about tomorrow. And that will define exactly where you stand. So the approach we should take is a tactical one. And of course, in the end, I think this may well be the point where, as the DP says, yes, the end of their participation, because they are defining themselves out of the GNU, and it will be clear tomorrow what decision they take. And obviously, I even said to him, you said, if we work with other parties, that's the end of the GNU. And I said, well, maybe you will live up to that yourself, because that's exactly what you have wished for. And I said, the Action SA and the other parties took a much more cooperative and practical type of disposition. And you came with a document. And of course, so you all know, and we'll cover this on Thursday, there have been discussions that have been going on the various other issues that they have raised, which are now going to fall flat. So I was just saying that is the general approach, but in the end, they have put themselves in a difficult position, and therefore tomorrow it's their choice, and that choice is going to have consequences. And I think rather than us now, and that's what I was trying to call you about, DP.
Njengoba izwa ke inkulumo kaPresident Cyril Ramaphosa, ngiyasola ukhuluma no Deputy President ngoba ekugcineni uyamkhuluma nathi DP uPaul Mashatile uyamazisa ngemeeting abenayo noJohn Steenhuisen, kodwa akubeka kucaca ukuthi ifuneka manje bathathe a strategic move, and iDA ukuthi iqhubeke ibe ku-GNU kuncike ekuthenini namhlanje bathatha siphi isinqumo. So uRamaphosa shuthi ngesikhathi esefonini mhlambe ekhuluma no Deputy President ukhona umuntu orecordele audio, ngoba ke washo ufikile Mbalulu wathi hayi ku-ANC ziyavuza zonke izinto noma yini ekhulunywa khona iyalikwa, kodwa mawuzwa manje iDA njengoba ngithi bengibuka idebate, iDA isame lapho ukuthi ayisupport le budget. Uma ulalela le nkulumo mhlambe esengawushintsha umqondo uRamaphosa ngoba esaba ukuthi le nkulumo isivelini, kodwa nje uma ulalela le nkulumo President Ramaphosa iDA uyinikeza ichoice ukuthi uma namhlanje ingavoti neANC out of iGNU. Ngakho ke njengomuntu oyibukile idebate notholele audio esabuka idebate, iDA ibisikhulumile, iDA ivote against ibudget. Ngenzeka ukuba umshado ke weDA neANC ufike la uphela khona, sekungaba yilezo nguquko nje ezincane, kodwa nje ngoba akuveza futhi uRamaphosa ukuthi iDA ngeke bezwe ngayo futhi yiba abaledayo la. Okunye futhi akucacisayo ukuthi iDA ifuna ukuba yi-opposition, kahle kahle iANC ifuna labantu ekuthiwa bo yes sir, nilambile yes sir, nisuthi yes sir, siyale yes sir, bafuna lawo bantu lapho, ababafuna abantu abanombono ohlukile. Ngiyacela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho mayelana nalolu daba. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo la ngizobe khona ngikhuluma khona ngebudget ngedebate namuhla, noma ke bengisafisa ukwenza amanye amavideo la esifundisana khona ngazo lezi zinto ukuthi zisho ukuthini ukuze mabezikhuluma sizizwe kangcono.